I'm David Lobo from the Deejay coconut breeding farm. Today I wish to talk to you about a problem many farmers are having everywhere. Coconut farmers. They talk about button drop. Quickly, I want to go through the major points so that you get a better idea. What do I mean by button drop? This is an inflorescence, and these are the little buttons on it which drop off very easily at certain times. There are major causes for this. The major causes for this problem of the buttons dropping are basically water deficiencies, nutrition if it's not right, pest and disease, and if there's too much of fruit. You'll read a lot about this and get a lot of videos on the net, but I'm going to focus on water and nutrition. Water is essential and is a topic by itself, but here in this case, we presume water is adequate given in the right way. Nutrition. Nutrition is the basic reason for good performance and productivity. Now, how do we get good performance and productivity? In a tree which is very unique. I don't know any other tree in the world where all functions happen at the same time. Take the mango tree. The leaves come, and then so many months later the flowers come, fertilization, pollination, and then fruit comes and that develops. So biomass is happening, but in different areas at different times, requiring different hormones and different elements of nutrition. The mango tree will store up what it needs during the days when it doesn't need them. So even deficiencies in the soil are looked after. But the speciality of the coconut tree is that all these functions happen at the same time. Growth, biomass production in all areas, flowering, fruiting, nut production, oil production, proteins, and the copra, everything is happening at the same time. Therefore, we need proper nutrition, constant, continuously for the next 60 years. This is where we slip up. When we give fertilizers twice a year and compost twice a year, what happens at the rest of the time? What happens when our micronutrients are given at one time and months later other micronutrients are given, or macronutrients? What about the major nutrients of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen, which are the basic nutrition for the tree? 45% of the tree is carbon, 45% is oxygen, 6% is hydrogen, and micro and macronutrients are only 4%. All these factors have to be looked after. This is where water comes in and plays a very good role. But let me stick to the point of button drop. The different hormones require the different macronutrients, and the different hormones at the different part in the tree's development in other trees can more easier be maintained. With the coconut tree, it is continuous, so we've got to give it continuously. Now this is very difficult, or is it? There is a very simple way to look